Alright guys, today I want to do a full unboxing, review, and setup of my new ACTECK digital shipping scale. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending this off for you, but let's go ahead and take a look at it. So I do have an eBay store, and sometimes while you can weigh them there, sometimes you're kind of just in a rush and you'd rather just have it done all in one step. So this is going to come in super handy. So if you have like an eBay store or any kind of store, whatnot, all that good stuff, this might come in handy. Got some batteries, the plug to power it up. Let's look at the scale. Very nice. It does go up to 480 pounds. Put this part down. All right, and then this is where you'll see the actual weight of it. So you can actually hang this up if you want, or just have it down at the bottom. It'll give you both of those options. So let's hook it up, try it out with a couple items, and then we'll go from there. And the batteries are for this part of it. So if you just remove this part right here, you're able to put your batteries there. So we'll just do that real quick. Put our batteries in there. All right, it's ready to go. Or if you're near an outlet and don't want to use batteries, that's why they did send the power adapter right here. So we can also hook this up right here. Or if you're by an outlet, just plug it in and you don't have to worry about the batteries either. So like I said, both options, I like that. You don't have to be going through batteries, you can just plug it in. So let's actually try it out. And it does have 4 different modes. So I'll just go through them: pounds, ounces, pounds and ounces, kilograms and grams, and then back to pounds. All right, and then I have this 50-gram weight. It's used to like calibrate this other scale that I have. So we'll just go ahead and put it on here. And there it is, 50 grams exactly. 50 grams exactly. So overall, not a bad scale, especially if you need one in your business and you're looking for one that you can kind of move around. Because I know I'll probably have it in 2 different rooms, in my garage and then where I actually have a lot of my items. So like I said, it's just more convenient to have the scale at home ready to go package your items. So if you're looking for a new scale, definitely look into some by ACTECK. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.